Hello guys, this is the 14th tutorial in this course, and in this tutorial we are going to talk about the if-else statement. And the if-else statement is different from the if statement in the sense that it gets you an else block in your code which executes when the condition evaluated by if is false. So in the last tutorial we made a script and we had an if block in it, and that block got executed only when the condition that was evaluated by if was true, right? And if that condition evaluated to false, then the program didn't do anything with the if block. Instead, another statement was executed which was outside the if block. But the else statement helps you get over that by letting you have an else block which works when the if statement runs into a false evaluation, right? So I'll press Control N, make another script, and again we're going to do pretty much the same thing. I'll have a variable and I'll call it myvar. I'll give it the value 50 initially, and then we're going to have the if statement check whether the variable value is less than 100, and I'll put in a colon, get inside the if block, type in the print function and display a message using it. So you are short of, I could have actually used the script file that I made in the last tutorial, but then it's okay. You're short of being 100%, right? And when I press the enter key, I still stay in the if block. To exit it, I'll have to press the backspace key, and now I'll type in the else keyword, right, and put in a colon and get inside the else block now. So I can have a print function here too, and this function will execute if this condition evaluates to false, right? So the value of myvar is greater than 100, then this statement won't be executed, whereas the print function within the else block will be executed, right? And I can display a message here, something like you are at your best. So if you're not short of being 100%, then it means that you are at your best. And then when I press the enter key, I still remain in the else block. If I want to exit the else block, I'll have to press the backspace key again, and now I'm outside the else block. And again, I'll just get in a print function here to display a closing message like goodbye, right? I'll save the file as I'll save it on my desktop. I'll give it the name else, and I'll press F5 to run the program. And there you go, I see the message you are short of being 100%, and then I see the message goodbye. So whereas in the last tutorial, when we changed the value of our variable to 150, we saw that the statement inside the if block, the print function, was not executed, and we just got the message goodbye. Here, if you would change the value of the variable to 150, save the file and rerun the program, we'll see the else block working, and then of course we'll see the message goodbye, right? So we see the the print function that was there in the else block, it displays us the message you are at your best, and then we see the final message goodbye. So this is how the if-else statement is different from the if statement. It gives you a little more flexibility. And in the next tutorial we are going to check out the elif statement in Python, and I hope you guys had fun watching this tutorial.